Tua got benched against the Browns.
Browns have good defense.
No, they don't. I don't think they do.
Dude, they held the Packers to 10 points.
Dude, this is a ridiculous narrative with the Browns. I can't believe there's so many national podcasts, by the way, that actually think the Browns defense is good. They're 2-5. They don't have a good defense, dude.
Well, they have a good defense. They just don't have anything else.
No, they don't.
Dude. They held the high-flying Dolphins to 6 points.
Dude, the Dolphins are like gasping for air. Like they're like beached Dolphins right now.
Yeah, they're
not high.
They're also a soft team. Like this was exposed by the Bears in training camp. They had that dual practice, and the Dolphins players were like complaining about the Bears being too physical in training camp.